Here you go.
Hi, this is Westley, the Gizmo Guy. You got all your entertainment stored on your iPad, but you drive an older car, a car that only has a CD and cassette player in it. It does not have Bluetooth or an aux input. So let me show you a quick, easy way that you can connect your new iPad onto your older car radio without Bluetooth or an aux input. You simply get my device from GizmoGuyGadgets.com, GizmoGuyGadgets.com. This little device will allow you to connect from your iPad onto your older car radio without any sort of modification or any wire at all. You simply get this gadget from GizmoGuyGadgets.com, GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Get my gadget and simply plug into your iPad like this. Then set your car radio. We'll turn on the car radio. Make sure that you set this to 87.9. Then you're ready to broadcast anything from your iPad onto your car radio. Let me show you how it's done. You can play YouTube. We'll go to YouTube right now.
Alien Covenant, now playing rated R.
Let's party.
Critics are raving. Alien Covenant indulges in a spectacle that's been missing from summer movies.
So you can play movies or YouTube and hear all your sounds coming from your car speakers. And let me show you can also do this with podcasts. Anything with sounds, you'll be able to cast onto your older car radio without new head units or any modification. You don't need Bluetooth, you don't need any wire, just connect my device and you're ready to go. Let me show you how we can play podcasts. We'll go to a podcast and we'll hit play.
Tim, TIM, to get 20% off of your first order. And they're not that expensive anyway. If you are in the experimental mindset, I do not think you'll be disappointed. So try them out. This episode is brought to you by Audible, which I've used for many, many years.
You'll be able to hear your music loud and clear without static or distortion. Simply come and connect my device onto your iPad and you'll be able to enjoy all your entertainment, your movie, your podcast, news, anything that you want from your iPad right through your older car radio without new head unit or modification. So get my device from GizmoGuyGadgets.com, GizmoGuyGadgets.com. This device will allow you to connect your iPad onto your older car radio. This is Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Thanks.